Okay, here's an update from the backyard. On the other side, I should say. June 26. Putting some backfill in. They've definitely done more than 16 houses with the wall so far. We'll see if they stop. I think they're house number 18 actually. They got a street sewer pipe over there. They got to get through the wall somehow, I guess. Still have panels to take down, but they're starting to backfill between the panels and the new wall. And it looks like they have a pallet of the toppers that they're going to put on top of the wall. If you look real close, you can see that they did start putting some toppers on the wall. Might be worth a ride to go over and take a look. Okay, it looks like they just finished 5637 driving in panels. That's where the barge is. So we got a couple of mountain climbers climbing Mount Harborview. Okay, I won't go past the fence. Here's a pallet of toppers. Yep, that's what we're going to see. Can't afford a concrete top, but I guess this will work for a few years. Okay, that's it. I'll be back in a couple months.